If you're looking for voice-activated alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 voice-activated alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Hopesooky. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by 3E Home. Number 3, by DGJTDF. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Magnifying Aids. Number 5. Find these voice-activated alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Nextplay. Number 7, by Moshi. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by LEDWooden. Number 9, by Happy Hours. Discover more voice-activated alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Brawn.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.